Hello, Epic Help here. Today I'm going to show you two things. First, the best places to use your smartphone for reading small print. Second, how to use zoom on your smartphone camera. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So where could using zoom on your smartphone camera be helpful? Probably the best place is at the grocery store. There are many products with small print that you might want to read before you purchase. The next best place is your local pharmacy or vitamin store. There are always directions on how and when to take your pills. Another great place is when you are going to sign a contract and the fine print is hard to see. If you don't have reading glasses available, then your smartphone may be the tool you need. What about the expiration date on your coupon? Those dates can be very difficult to see. This method will work on serial numbers you find on electronics. You might need this information to check your warranty status. There are many uses for using zoom on your camera. When you use zoom, you always have the option to take a picture with your camera. This may be the best method, since you can zoom on the picture too. If you are unsure how to zoom with your camera, then please continue watching this video. Open up your camera app on your smartphone. It could be an Android or iPhone. Hold your phone about 3 inches away from what you want to read. Now place 2 fingers on the screen and slowly spread them apart. This will zoom your camera. The text you are trying to read will get larger. You can also take a picture at any time, and if the text in the picture is too small, then zoom in on the picture. If you are still watching this video, then you get a special bonus. A lot of people lock their phones and it can take several seconds to get the smartphone unlocked. Then it takes even more time to find the camera app and open it. Here's a trick that is built into many smartphones. On the lock screen, you may see a camera icon on the bottom like this. If you do, then swipe up on it and the camera instantly opens for you to use. A person in a hurry will want to use this option so they can quickly zoom in to read. If you can think of some useful places where using zoom on your phone camera would help, please put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching Epic Help.